So let me show you the small stuff. Fries. Fries. Alright, so like fucking retards, we didn't record the goddamn intro, you know, the most important part of a YouTube video. Basically what we're doing is we ordered 20 cheeseburgers and 30 McChickens and 10 small fries. We're going to try to eat this as fast as we can. If we don't, we lose, and, you know, yeah, enjoy the goddamn cancer. Thank you, McDonald's. Mwah. We're gonna get clapped.
Already stacked up 2 burgers.
It's gonna have to be time lapse.
2 down. Alright, not yet.
Don't eat, believe that.
Y'all are weird to feel like pickles. I got no drink.
Damn.
Sorry, I'm not. Or the crow.
Almost like a counter down here. When you're done rap, let's get to me.
What Mario did actually. I'm gonna stack 2.
Let's go to McGangbang.
A McGangbang.
Yeah, bro. You think I'm joking? Yeah.
Seriously?
Is that 2? That's 4 done. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Jaw's not gonna forget us.
We're gonna go see Jaw by the time we're done eating this.
We're gonna be with Jaw by the time we're done.
Let me get a ranch. They were supposed to be for the fries. That's 10 fries right there.
Jesus, dude.
That's what I would say.
Look how bad my hand's shaking already.
Things things are getting a little thick.
How fast can you eat a burger?
I don't know.
Another.
Toxic space down. Water weapon.
Facts, especially thick. So how fast could I eat a burger?
You're about to fall. Hear it?
You know with fries also.
They're fiending.
Put it up.
Toxic space is bad.
Oh, dude. I'm gonna be feeling this later. Jesus.
I'm trying to get skinny too.
I'm not gonna eat for like 5 days straight.
Okay.
Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Sure to look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga.
Guys, why the hell do we do this?
That's why I said 10 Oh my god. We don't discriminate around here.
Except for the 19th Amendment. Four.
Look it up.
4.
He said.
Hey. 25.
You get the one. Give me the one.
What? Mario's the skinniest one here.
$25 and we'll drop a second when we go to Taco Bell and get tacos and burritos. Tacos and burritos. Don't do this to us, please. But we need the likes. 25. Any views.
I sounded just like one. What the? It is scary.
Get your own range, you chicken fuck.
See?
What number y'all on?
I have no idea. I'm on like 5, 6.
I lost count after the first fucking piece of lettuce. I can't even check my phone to text my girlfriend if I'm about to die. It's from McDonald's.
It's been 9 minutes and 37 seconds since the last texted her.
5, 4. Oh shit! It's a rat! What are you doing with a duck? We were supposed to be faking this. We're feeling it.
Oh god. Yeah, Mario's feeling it.
I need to look at more. Someone see space. You just fart? Someone see space.
That was my laugh. I can't. Mario looks so worried. He looks so worried. I regret everything. John, sorry for every choice I've made with this point.
He's crying.
I can't. I can't.
He's crying.
What was that?
He's crying so Go ahead, boys. I'm doing it for the team.
You're putting a burger on a McChicken.
That's a McGangbang.
No, it's a burger on a McChicken.
It's a McGangbang. With another burger.
No.
I kind of have to.
Uh-oh.
I'm going hard. He could use all this protein though. He got no muscle out here. You know what I'm saying? 500 deadlift.
700 deadlift.
Oh, fuck. 500 pounds of burger.
I regret every decision. Yeah.
I regret supporting the 19th Amendment.
Uh-oh. Oh. Hold it up.
What?
I forgot to hold it up. Guys, it's getting a little hot in here. Oh god.
There's kids in Africa starving around here. Fucking eating 60 chicken sandwiches and 10 fries. I'm sweating. It's so
hot to know.
Give me the 5.
Guys, it's 6:33.
An hour left.
No way, he looked on the camera. His cheeks were all filled in and stuff. He was just trying to find the stripes.
I'm not eating dinner.
I don't think anyone is, but.
My knee just got wet.
I can't. Come home, dinner's ready, says mom.
Did my mom really say that?
Yeah, I said birthday. I would just pack these up, go home and start doing all this food. Yeah, I'm still on the same burger I was 5 minutes ago.
Guys, I'm only eating 2 fries.
I'm literally gonna have trouble breathing when
No jewel joke, but I might actually have to use an inhaler.
Tell me how to make the gangbanger. I think I can bring it up for you guys.
Oh,
No, wait, no.
We can't. The goal is to do it all in one go.
Put the awards. 8 burgers.
Should be like, what'd y'all eat? Burgers. With some burgers. With some bangers.
How many we have left?
Edit a towel right there. I'm throwing in a towel for right now.
18.
And how many did we have to start?
40.
I'm gonna save this for home.
His face, the regret.
Can't hear it.
I'm not gonna eat McDonald's ever again. Like seriously. Unless it's just like
I won't be eating though, be drinking. I'm gonna go home and shit my goddamn brains out.
facts. Oh, it's so hot.
I ate the most. Guaranteed I ate the most.
No, you didn't, so I'm still going.
You're going. We keep going.
Oh, dude, you're gonna have a heart attack. I love you, man. It's sorry. It's nice seeing you. It's nice teaming up with you. It's nice
Toxic
seeing
amnesia.
your brother.
Leader of this clan. One of.
We're gonna claim we're a group of Nick.
And Mario will be the half winners.
Something bad this time.
Oh yeah, hold it up.
Alfredo Joseph.
That's this one.
Listen, ready? Ready?
Oh my
Wait
God.
for it, though. I can't breathe.
Well, you're going to breathe with your mouth open.
I am, I'm inhaling burgers. I'm crying. I'm crying.
Don't worry, guys. No food will be wasted.
Someone walked in from the hospital and snicks at us.
Support for kids.
She should have just come get a coffee. She just
Where's the
stares
treaty
at
of
us.
Versailles when you need it?
You want a free burger? I think it's up there.
Oh, just come on.
Hey, can you taste the chloroform? I'm new to this. Taste the chloroform? Can you smell the chloroform?
Yo, it's still going.
I can't eat the burger. I can eat the McChicken. I can't eat the burger.
As you're eating a fucking burger? Oh. That's my cup of water.
Dude, yeah, can you go refill?
No.
Please. I can't stand.
Walk it.
God.
I just drooled.
Please. My car is going to suck.
Garrett, we gotta eat dinner at my house.
Who?
Wait, did Mom say don't eat there? What is it?
Literally? I saw her making it when you walked out. There's like a few little... My house.
All those fucking fries, too. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, we gotta end
Oh,
this.
yeah, facts.
Alright, so we managed to eat. There was 16 left. We ate 2 fries. I'll do the math later. I'll put the total of how much we ate.
I feel fat.
McDonald's victory won.
I feel so
McDonald's
fat.
won.
Man versus food.
Hey, we don't give a fuck if y'all hit 25, but we're still gonna do the Taco Bell one.
Yeah, even though.
Alright, guys, this is Toxic Amnesia. Hope you all have a good day.
Did he just say we're
This
still
is Toxic
doing the
Fusion.
taco
Toxic
wars?
This is Toxic Fusion telling you to not eat McDonald's for a while. McDonald's still sponsor us.
Yeah. Spotlight, moonlight, then why you tripping? Get your